Jai Hind children. In our previous video, we learned how to show any rational number on number line. In our today's video, we will learn how to find any rational number between given two rational number. But before that, hope you have understood all the previous topics taught. Still, if you have any doubt, just drop your query on my personal window. Now, related to today's topic, our first question from the exercise 1.2 is question number 4 from your NCERT book. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. Minus 2 by 5 is a rational number here. 1 upon 2 is here rational number. And we have to find out 10 rational number between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. Now, for that we have to follow some steps. First step is take the LCM of the denominators. That is LCM of 5 and 2, which is 10. Now, we have to convert each of the rational numbers with denominator 10. Now, so minus 2 by 5, how it can be converted in a rational number having denominator 10? Let's have a look. We know that when we multiply 5 with 2, it will become 10. But the number we will multiply to the denominator, we will multiply to the numerator also, so that it is equivalent rational number. So, minus 2 by 5 has been converted into minus 4 upon 10. In the same way, we will convert 1 upon 2 such that it is also converted in a rational number having denominator 10. For that we have to multiply 2 with 5, and the same way we have to multiply the numerator also with the number 5. Now, minus 2 by 5 has been converted into minus 4 upon 10, and 1 by 2 has been converted into 5 upon 10. So we have the number minus 4 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. We have to find out 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. But since if we try to find out the rational numbers between these two numbers, the maximum rational numbers we can find out is only 8. Let's have a look. After minus 4 upon 10, when we go on the number line towards the 5 upon 10, the next number we will get is minus 3 upon 10, minus 2 upon 10, minus 1 upon 10, then 0 will also be there, 1 upon 10, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10, and 5 upon 10. In this way, we got 3 rational numbers here and 5 rational numbers here between 5 upon 10 and minus 4 upon 10. But the question still asks us, find 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. So what we will do, we will multiply again these two numbers with any suitable number so that we can find out sufficient rational numbers required for our question. Suppose I am multiplying these numbers with the 10 . So, minus 4 by 10 can be written as now minus 40 upon 100, and 5 upon 10 can be written as now 50 upon 100. So, now we will get sufficient number of rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2 as minus 39 upon 100, minus 38 upon 100, minus 37 upon 100, you can take any 10 rational numbers between these two rational numbers. For example, I am taking minus 26 upon 100, then I am taking minus 13 upon 100, then I am taking 2 upon 100, 7 upon 100, 13 upon 100, 46 upon 100, and 47 upon 100. These are the required 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 upon 2. One thing I have to make it clear that here I multiplied with the number 10. It is not always necessary to multiply and divide with 10. You can do it with any of the suitable number, whichever you feel like will give you the satisfactory results. Now, let's have a look at our question number 5 first. So, question number 5. First question is, find 5 rational number between 2 by 3 and 4 upon 5. So, in order to find out 5 rational numbers between these two rational numbers, again we will follow the same steps. Step 1. Find the LCM of 3 and 5, which is 15. Now, we have to convert these two rational numbers such that their denominator is 15. So, 2 by 3 will get multiplied with 5, results to 10 upon 15, and 4 upon 5 multiplied with 3 results to 12 upon 15. So, we converted 2 by 3 and 4 by 5 into 10 upon 15 and 12 upon 15. Now, if we go on the number line from 10 upon 15 to 12 upon 15, on this measurement, only the number we will get in between is 11 upon 15. That is only a single rational number. So, in that case, we again have to multiply these two rational numbers with any desired number. Suppose again I am taking 10 again. 10 upon 10 into 15 into 10 equals, and 12 into 10 upon 15 into 10. It gives us 100 upon 150 and 120 upon 150. So, 5 rational numbers between these two numbers will be 101 upon 150, 102 upon 150, 103 upon 150, 104 upon 150, and 105 upon 150. So, this is how we got 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. This was the step method to find out the rational numbers between given two rational numbers. Now, yes, this was the first method because there is another method which we call average method. So, what the average method is? Let's suppose a number line. On this number line, there are 2 points, x and y. We find the number which is at middle of x and y. Let it be z. Now, the number between x and z, by finding the average, x plus z by 2, suppose results in a, and the number between, with the same method, z and y, that is z plus y by 2, results in number b. So in this way we got 3 rational numbers between x and y. If you want more rational numbers, you can find out between b and y. Let it be c, b and z, let it be d, z and a, let it be e, and a and x, let it be f. In the same way, again you can find more rational numbers between x and f, a and f, a and e, e and z, e and d, any of the given 2 points on this number line. Remember that there are infinite rational numbers between given any 2 rational numbers. Let's have an example with this method. Suppose we have to find out 3 rational numbers between 4 and 7. We have to find out 3 rational numbers between 4 and 7. So, first rational number will be 4 plus 7 by 2. This is how we find out the average, sum of the observation upon number of observations. So, 4 plus 7 gives us 11 upon 2. If we think of the number line here, if it is 4 and it is 7, so in the middle we got 11 upon 2. Now suppose we need a number between 4 and 11 upon 2. So second number will be 4 plus 11 upon 2 whole upon 2. It results in 8 plus 11 upon 2 whole upon 2. That gives us 19 upon 4. So here is the number 19 upon 4. Now if we want the third number, suppose we find out between 7 and 11 upon 2. So third number will be 7 plus 11 upon 2. If you want, you can do like this, whole upon 2, or you can write 1 upon 2 out of the bracket if you find that solving in this method is a bit difficult. So let's have a look at this method. So it will give us 1 upon 2 in bracket 14 plus 11 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2 in bracket 25 upon 2, that gives us 25 upon 4. So here is the number 25 upon 4. So 3 rational numbers between 4 and 7 are 19 upon 4, 11 upon 2 and 25 upon 4. So if you need to find out the two rational numbers between given any two rational numbers, you can find it out by using either step method or average method, whichever you like. Now, if you have any doubt, you can contact me on my personal window by texting on WhatsApp. These all questions you will do in your classwork copy. Your homework for today is exercise 1.2, question number 5, second and third, and question number 6, question number 7. Hope you enjoyed learning. Have a nice day ahead. Thank you and Jai Hind.